Hey y'all, my name's Katie and you're watching AFI's DIYs. Epsom salts are a great exfoliant which helps get rid of dead skin cells, combats blackheads, whiteheads, and dullness. Let's take a look at the recipe. For materials you'll need glass mixing bowl, stirring utensil, storage container. For ingredients you'll need 28.6% or 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 57.1% or 1 cup Epsom salt, 14.3% or 1/4 teaspoon of fragrance. For today's fragrance, we wanted something relaxing and soothing, so we chose Sandalwood. This is perfect. Just make sure it's IFRA approved for skin contact. Alright guys, let's get started. This DIY is super easy, only a few steps. Start by adding all the ingredients into your glass bowl and mix well. Next, pour your product into your storage container. To use this, just massage into your skin and at the end of your shower, then rinse. Do this weekly for your optimal results. Avoid using this on your face because the salt scrub is too abrasive for the delicate skin there. This DIY only costs us about $1. You can sell it wholesale for 3 to 4 and retail for 8 to 10. Check out our DIY on Epsom Salt soap bars if you're interested in more products like this. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.